Hello class, this is Professor Wilson. Welcome to CTC 101. I will be your instructor. Just want to take this time to congratulate you all on pursuing your degree. Just a few information about our course. Our course is designed to provide some foundational skills in pursuit of your degree. I would ask that you take 15 to 20 minutes daily to dedicate to coursework. This will be tremendously helpful to keep you on track and to avoid becoming too overwhelmed by the course contents. Make sure you actively engage in an online class. Engagement is critical, so plan to respond to me and your classmates. Stay engaged with me, the course material, and I look forward to seeing you when our course opens up on Monday, May 2nd. Excited to help you all pursue your academic goals and ultimately realize your professional ones. Go Eagles!